Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a TikTok profile link. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, navigate to the bottom right corner where you'll see the profile icon. Tap on this icon to go to your personal TikTok profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see 3 horizontal lines or dashes. Tap on these 3 dashes to open the additional menu options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy to access your account configuration options. Within the Settings and Privacy menu, scroll down until you find the Account section. Under this section, you'll see an option called Share Profile. Tap on this option, and TikTok will generate your unique profile link. You'll then see a Copy Link button. Tap this to copy your complete TikTok URL to your device's clipboard. Once you've copied the link, you can paste it anywhere you'd like to share your profile. If you want to test that the link works correctly, you can open any web browser, paste the link into the address bar, and press Enter. This will take you directly to your TikTok profile page, confirming that the link has been copied correctly and works properly.